Hello friends, my name is Raghvin and today this video is about the most incredible software, the amazing tool to use, a boon to social media managers, digital marketers and the people who run their businesses, the most effective, creative and knowledgeable tool ever made. Amazing templates, great fonts, colors, images, illustrations, GIFs, props, thousands of images to choose from, great templates according to your needs. That is what Canva is. Yes, this video is about Canva, the most easiest and most creative software ever made. This is not a typical one like Photoshop. You can create YouTube thumbnails, your social media posts, your stories, WhatsApp stories, Instagram stories, Facebook posts, LinkedIn posts, resume, infographics. There are many other things I will tell you in the further video. And this is the second video of our digital marketing course. If you have not watched the first video, then link is in this I button. So stay tuned. Hi guys, now let's learn Canva. Canva is the most amazing software. Actually, it is the most easiest one. That is why it is amazing. So let's search for it. So here it is, Canva. Let's click on it. Actually, I am already logged in this account. That's why this page has occurred. You can make and register to Canva and make something creative. See the tagline, design anything. How many options are there? Presentations, social media, video, print products, marketing, office and more. Now this is how UI and UX of the Canva looks like. Beautiful UI. So let's start. Let's start with presentations. For you means it is recommending me because usually I make posts from Canva. That is why it is recommending many things to me like logo, Instagram posts, presentations and video. Now next is presentation. Presentation is what students in colleges, in schools and people in offices want to make. So they can make some creative posts from here. What Canva do is actually Canva give you templates so you can upload your images and your photos in that templates, which looks creative and knowledgeable also. We'll try that in the further video. Let's go to other option. Other option is social media. In social media, this is the most popular in Canva. That's why Canva is popular, I think, because people make most of the posts in respect of social media. So you can make any post of any platform. See, IG is there, FB is there, Pinterest, LinkedIn. There are many posts. Then the video thing. Video is you can make advertise some random videos, some YouTube videos, TikTok, WhatsApp videos. See YouTube video ad. Whenever you watch a YouTube video, the advertise coming on videos are made in Canva. See, they have options. Just select the template, upload your video and it is ready. The other thing is print products. Like certificates, invitations, cards. They first of all we have to design them. And you can design them through Canva and then you can print out the hard copy. This is the business thing for marketers. This is in heaven for marketing because they give you creative and efficient posts, images, elements, props by which you can make any marketing post. You can engage your customers and generate leads from them because This is office post. You can make resume, some document. If you want to send some customized mail, you can make it from here. You want to send Gmail, some customized Gmail, you can use Canva. Then more is there. In more, there are random things like some was wallpaper you want to set. You want to make some book cover. So this is Canva. Now they provide you templates about social media, some personal things, business, marketing, education, trending. Actually, they have a big team. The videos which are viral on internet, that is what trending is. They upload it on Canva and you can use it further. See how many things you can make. You can make Father's Day, Mother's Day, your Valentine's Day. They recommend you the trending things, the trending post, many things. So this is the option for all your design, the designs which you have made, shared with you. You can also work with a team in the Canva. If you have a business, so there will be digital marketing agency which will help you in business. So they have, suppose they have a team of 4 or 5 people. So all the 4 or 5 people can use the common account. And this is brand kit. This is also used for the team. They can upload their own fonts and many other things. This is trash. From here you can create your own team. Let's now create some post. So we'll start from here. You can click on this also. What you want to post a design, what you want to create, you can select from here also. Like you have an Instagram post, a story, a Facebook post, a story, video collage, photo collage, certificate, what it is. You can search it from here or you can type here also. Suppose I am typing a YouTube thumbnail. Here it is. Actually they have inbuilt sizes, dimensional pixels. Now this is Canva. These are the templates they have showed me. Whichever niche in YouTube I have, I can choose them and just rename it. Let's create something from zero. Now let me first tell you about this. This is the option templates. You just have to write here. Suppose you have a niche for fitness, just write fitness here. And it is here. See, everything is related to fitness. Just click on it and it is here. Now you can upload anything from internet. You can upload an image and video, an audio. You can upload anything and use it in your thumbnails, in videos and in post. Now another one is photos. They have millions of photos. Just write it and you have it. Suppose I am writing food. See how many posts of food they have provided. If I write specifically some food, they have posts for that also. Let's write pasta. See how many types of pasta are there. Just click on it and it is here. See. You can delete it from here by clicking here. Now the other one is elements. Elements are like additional tools used in post to make your content more effective. Suppose I want to use anything, just write down here. Like if I want to use a happy emoji, just write happy. Then there are happy people, emojis, heart, girl, boy, everything is there. Just click on it. See, here it is. Now the other thing is text. A1 option, A2 option, A3 option, they have many options. Just click on A1, I have clicked it. Just rename it, whatever you want to write. I want to write here food. See, you can resize it by just dragging it up and also color it from here. Let's do go for yellow. See, let's delete this. The other option is audio. You can add your own audio by uploading from here, and this is like songs they are giving according to niche. If you have a travel related post, then you can select it from here. If you have some music, some trap you want to add, in fitness people add traps, you can use trap from here. Some soothing music from here, some YouTube from here. These are royalty free music you can add and use everywhere. Just write it and you have it. Then videos. These are few seconds of videos. Some footages you can use in your background or in your videos. You can make a YouTube video from Canva actually. The other one is background. You can use any background. See how many options there. Let's use this. See, everything is gone. The black one is gone and this is the background now. I can make it here. Just delete it. Delete it. Food is here. Now the option is folders. There are some more things, like they have tie-ups with these apps also. If you want to use Google Maps, if you want to locate some address here, you can use it from this. Some Facebook account here, you can use it. So there are many other options. Now let's make something creative. Let's delete everything. So I have deleted everything. Now I will make something related to food. Just type food. See, these are the templates they have provided. If I want to create, for example, for a bakery, let's go for this. So they have some cookies and some fonts used. Let's delete the cookies and I will add something from the photos. Just write cookies. So I want to use this cookie. I can add this. I can crop this photo like this. I can make this photo towards backside from here. See, just select it, position it and send it backwards. Now it is backwards. See, just make it something bigger. If I want to select this green color to something like blue, I can change it. Let's make this also blue, this also blue. Let's delete this leaf. Write something here. The fonts used in the templates are always in sync with the photos. They have a research team which will attract customers and all. This is the inbuilt font, so I'll use this only. Let's add something to it. Add something like name of my bakery. If I name it XYZ bakery. Let's change the color to white. Let's change the font also. See, it is here. If I want to change the font, you can change it from here. Let's Rename the color of XYZ from any other color, like from red. XYZ bakery. Now add something element into it. Just write a bakery. So there are bakery items you can see. So I want to use this. Let's click on it. Make it bigger. Flip it on the other side. Drag my bakery to this. Make it smaller. My favorite XYZ bakery. This is a tagline for this bakery. Make it some smaller. Now you can add the address of your bakery here. Then it is ready to use. You can download it from here in any of the format, like you can download in PNG, JPG, PDF, a video also, anything you want. So this is ready. This is how you can make and use great content. So this is Canva. You can skyrocket your business by making content through Canva, because content is the king. If you really like this video, give it a like button, comment down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will be notified whenever I'll post something awesome. Take care, stay healthy and learn always.